After all these years, the unsettled and controversial nature of the Roswell event is still the focal point of humankind's biggest unsolved mystery. Are we alone in the universe? Two things happened as a result of the Roswell incident.
And of course, what have we seen ever since? An escalation of this phenomenon. Multiple reports, credible reports, UFOs seen by pilots, police officers, military personnel, tracked on radar, performing speeds and maneuvers that seem way in excess of anything we have. And governments all around the world have programs to research and investigate this.
At the same time, mainstream scientists began cataloging stars and planets in our galaxy and in galaxies beyond, and asking what the possibility is that life or non-human intelligence exists out there. In particular, astronomers looking at our galaxy attempted to predict how many possible sophisticated civilizations might have and are still existing in our Milky Way. The famous Drake equation set forth by astrophysicist Frank Drake, the father of SETI science, predicted around 8,000 such civilizations should exist. Consequently, the SETI Institute was established and began searching for extraterrestrial radio waves sent from distant civilizations.
Frank talked about maybe 8,000 planets in the galaxy. The latest notion is that when you start looking at stars, and now we can actually observe planets around other stars. It's very neat science that we can detect the presence of planets out there. It looks like there's 1.6 planets per star. If you take hundreds of planets, that's the average you get out of it. That means in our galaxy, we got over 100 billion planets. That changes the picture from 6,000 or 8,000, I think. There's a big difference. So just as we thought, we're the center of God's creation, if I can put it that way, we now realize that's absurd, that we're not.
Around the same time, the great Italian-American physicist Enrico Fermi was having lunch with fellow physicists at Los Alamos when the conversation turned to a flood of recent UFO sightings all over the United States.